Do you know? Checking the engine oil level regularly and replace our top-up at periodic intervals, as mentioned in your service manual, is essential for uninterrupted vehicle performance. Make sure to use engine oil recommended by TVS, as it consists of a base oil and some additives that take care of the engine health like no other. Top up or replace engine oil level during periodic service schedule at authorized service center. For RTR series, only TVS True Force Synthetic is recommended. For scooters and Scooty, only TVS Scooter is recommended. For other motorcycles, moped, TVS True 4 Premium is recommended as mentioned in owner's manual. In every engine, there are certain metal components which rub against each other during operation. Oil replacement during first free service is mandatory for all the models. The engine parts are being set in during initial running-in period. It is most critical to replace oil in first free service. If engine oil is not replaced in first free service, engine suffers severe damage. For example, scoring marks in cylinder block, pitting marks on bearing race, ball bearing damages, cam lobe wear, etc. Prolonged use and aging thickens oil due to carbon deposits, creating drag in the movement of engine components. Not done the periodic maintenance? Visit the nearest TVS authorized service center immediately for a hassle-free smooth ride of your two-wheeler.